Joy Jagannath. Good morning, everyone. I request to my beloved students to maintain silence, please, as we are going to start our session. Education is the foundation upon which we build our future. Today, as we embark on this insightful journey of learning and discussion, let us welcome the distinguished personalities who have dedicated their lives to the field of education. Now, to mark the beginning of this inaugural session, it is my privilege to invite our esteemed guest to the dais. I humbly request Professor Jayanthala Balgangadhar Tilak sir, former Vice Chancellor NIPA, New Delhi, to kindly grace the dais. Sir, please. Next to him, I request Dr. Hemant Kumar Gharai sir, Regional Director Education, Baligar, sir, please. Next to him, Professor, former Senior Professor, Head Department of Education and Dean School of Education and Humanities, University, to take his seat on the dais, sir, please. Dr. Pramod Chaudhary sir, Assistant Professor, JNU, New Delhi, to take his place. Sir. Dr. Saroj Kumar Nayak sir, our respected convener, to join us. Dr. Sanjay Kumar Dey, Principal, University, Barimata and City, Balesar, to take his place. Now to Dr. Prakash Kumar Pradhan Mahapatra sir, Governor, to take his seat on the dais. Now, once again, let us welcome them with a round of huge applause to, as they have their places to the grace, to grace the occasion with their wisdom and presence. Light symbolizes knowledge, wisdom, and removal of darkness. As we begin this momentous occasion, let us invoke the light of learning and progress through the traditional lamp lighting ceremony. I humbly invite our esteemed guest to get gathered near the lamp. Sir, please. Now I invite Sujay to lead us in the chanting of mantras.
गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणा ब्रह्मणस्पतः नः शृण्वन्नृतिभिस्विदसादनं प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेवी वाजिनीवती दिनामवित्रवतु ॐ गणेशाय नमः ॐ सरस्वते नमः ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ॐ सं गच्छध्वं संवदध्वं संवामनांसि जानतां देवावागं यथा पूर्वे संजाना समाने समानचित्ता भवेत् मे साम्। ॐ नीलाचलनिवासाय नित्याय परमात्मने बलभद्र सुभद्राभ्यां जगन्नाथाय ते नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ जय जगन्नाथ। जय तो श्याम जय तो भारतवर्षम।
May this light illuminate our path towards meaningful discussion and knowledge. Music has the power to uplift our spirits and set the tone for a meaningful. On a harmonious note, I invite our talented students to present the opening songs. Students, please.
लाइव